taking consistent strides on poverty eradication has been hampered by COVID and geopolitical conflicts. We need to set our priorities straight, to deliver to our people, to make poverty history. Chest thumping about economic progress rings hollow when the largest number of poor people on the planet dwell within our collective borders. Given our experience in this area, there is a very strong and compelling case for closer cooperation for poverty alleviation under SCO. The establishment of the Special Working Group on Poverty Alleviation proposed by Pakistan will be a step in that direction. Ladies and gentlemen, our planet can only be saved from the ravages of climate change if the international community works in unison. For Pakistan, this is today's problem. We recently faced the greatest climate catastrophe we have ever witnessed. I ask you to imagine what it would mean for your people if a disaster of this scale were to proportionately affect your country. What would 1/3 of India's landmass look like underwater? How would the people of China be tested if 1 in 7 people were made climate refugees overnight? This was a reality for my country, my people, only last year. We are rebuilding our lives at great cost and bracing for the inevitability of such a disaster striking again. I am proud of Pakistan's leadership through our chairmanship of G77 plus China. We helped advocate for loss and damage to be included on the agenda of COP27. However, this is too little, too late, and much more needs to be done, especially by developed countries. We must hold the developed world up to their commitment of providing $100 billion annually for climate finance. While Pakistan has emerged as an important voice in the global discourse on climate change in the aftermath of said disaster, it is encouraging to see that the SCO is also attaching greater importance to this critical issue. The joint statement to be issued by the Councils of Heads of States on fighting climate change rightly calls for deepening cooperation in the areas of environmental protection. Excellencies, the collective security of our peoples is our joint responsibility. Terrorism continues to threaten global security. Let's not get caught up in weaponizing terrorism for diplomatic points for it. When I speak on this topic, I do so not only as the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, whose people have suffered the most in terms of number of attacks and number of casualties. I also speak as the son of a mother who was assassinated at the hands of terrorists. I feel the pain of this loss, empathize with the victims across the world in a way that most cannot. I and my country are firmly committed to eradicating this menace. This requires not only a comprehensive approach, but also a collective approach. It demands we address the root causes as well as the threats posed by specific groups. It requires that we let this challenge unite us to fight it rather than divide us to become its victims. Our success requires us to isolate this issue from geopolitical partisanship. Practical, pragmatic solutions exist for us to put an end to this chapter once and for all. We must stop conflating non-state actors with state actors, condemn all forms of terrorism, including state-sponsored terrorism. Given that many SCO members confront the menace of terrorism, often from the same terrorist groups, SCO RATS needs to be further strengthened to effectively address the growing threats to peace and security in the SCO space. Excellencies, the situation in Afghanistan has added new complications for global security. We continue to call for the international community to meaningfully engage the Afghan interim government. After being the playground for great powers time and time again, we owe it to the people of Afghanistan not to repeat the mistakes of the past. A united international community can compel the authorities authorities to demonstrate their will and help build their counter-terrorism